Hey there, adventurers! So, this episode is for those who grabbed my free dynamic day-night system for RPG Maker on itch.io. It all started when I was trying to bring more life into my own game worlds. This system is gonna work for basically every engine of RPG Maker. So I'm gonna show you. You just need to scroll down. Down. There you go. So you scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see red download button here. So you hit download and then you skip it. It just basically tells if you want to leave a donation, and you got files that you can download for different versions of RPG Maker. So whichever you choose for your version. Now I'm going to show you what's inside the file. I'm going to open this one first. So if you have MV or MZ versions, simply open the provided project demo file. You'll notice that all the essential event commands are located in the top left corner of the demo map. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3. Alright, so you can see that we have one auto-run process and we got 2 parallel processes. So for optimal game performance, it's advisable to merge parallel events into a single one where possible. So you basically merge this into one. Right. So here's a quick walkthrough of what you find in your downloaded file. Now, if you're using a different engine, my advice is you can open the guide and it basically tells you step by step what you're going to do and how you need to set it up in any engine you prefer. So I'm just using screenshots of MZ, but depends on which engine you're going to use. Nice. So this system is designed to work with any version of RPG Maker. Simply follow the instructions in this guide to implement it into your project. That's it. So if you're not a fan of reading, you can watch the next episode and you can create the same system in your preferred RPG Maker engine for your game. Quick note, demos for various engines are being added on itch.io, so be sure to check if there's one for the engine you're using already. And yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to hit that follow button if you're enjoying the content, so I can share more RPG Maker tips and tricks with you, and I would love seeing your creative usage of the system in your own projects. Until next time, bye bye.